Hello researchers. In this video we are going to talk about shape memory polymer modeling by VUMAT subroutine in Abaqus. The formation of polymers has its specific mechanisms that we are going to talk about in this video. To understand that, stay with us. The formation in polymers. First, we have alignment of chains in elastic domain, and we will have yield. After yielding and starting the plastic deformation, the alignment of chains will require time, so it's strain rate dependent deformation. In general, deformation in polymers are elastic and viscoplastic. Viscoplastic meaning time dependent. The conceived model for polymers is Arruda-Boyce model, which is somehow schematically is explaining in this image. We have linear elastic, backstress, and viscoplastic regimes. The Arruda-Boyce model is explained in the tutorial package that we will introduce. The first phase is thermoelastic. Thermoelastic term of Arruda-Boyce model is explained in the package in detail. The second term is thermoviscoelastic. Again, it has a special algorithm to solve that, which will be explained in the tutorial. The hyperelastic model with backstress is also explained in the package. The midpoint strategy to solve the equations are also explained in the tutorial. But these equations needs to be solved in a subroutine, which is VUMAT subroutine. VUMAT subroutine has many outputs and many inputs and many variables that takes huge amount of time to learn. But do you really need all details to solve the Arruda-Boyce model in Abaqus? Of course not. Only necessary aspects are enough to learn. So do not waste your time by learning not required things. Instead of that, we have prepared for you a package which is Shape Memory Polymers by VUMAT in Abaqus, which is a full tutorial, includes a formulation video explaining the formulation in detail, a video explaining VUMAT variables. The VUMAT subroutine is explained in another video line by line, and the Abaqus model to solve the equations are explained step by step. Also result extraction video, and you will get all Abaqus VUMAT files in this tutorial package. You can download this package from the link in the description easily. You want more and you don't have time and you want your VUMAT to be written sooner? Okay, we can write your VUMAT and teach it to you. You can order your project by the link in the description also. Thank you for your attention.